What is the difference between a resume headline and profile summary?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing an important aspect of resume writing. We will be exploring the difference between a resume headline and a profile summary. These are two key elements that can help your resume stand out, so let's delve deeper into what they are and how they're different.
What is a resume headline?
A resume headline, also known as a resume title, is a brief phrase located at the top of your resume, right beneath your name and contact information. It's typically one quick sentence or a condensed phrase that succinctly showcases your professional experience, skills, and achievements. For example, a headline might read, "Senior Data Scientist with 10+ years of experience in machine learning." The purpose of a resume headline is to quickly tell recruiters what makes you a strong candidate for the job. It provides a snapshot of your professional qualifications and should be compelling enough to encourage the hiring manager to read the rest of your resume.
What is a profile summary?
On the other hand, a profile summary, sometimes referred to as a professional summary or career summary, is a brief paragraph that provides an overview of your career history, skills, and abilities. It typically consists of 3 to 5 sentences that make a case for why you are the best candidate for the position. A profile summary might read, "I am a senior data scientist with over a decade of experience in managing large data sets, designing predictive models, and implementing machine learning algorithms. Proven record in leveraging data-driven insights to drive business improvement and optimize overall performance." The goal of a profile summary is to give the employer a broader understanding of your professional background and your areas of expertise. It's a narrative statement that allows you to tell your professional story in your own words. In conclusion, both a resume headline and profile summary serve to introduce you to potential employers, but they do so in different ways. The resume headline is short and to the point, highlighting your top qualifications for the job, while the profile summary is more comprehensive, offering a detailed summary of your career experiences, skills, and professional achievements. Creating an effective resume headline and profile summary is crucial to making a great first impression and catching the attention of potential employers. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped clarify the differences between a resume headline and a profile summary.